As part of the scenic design process, one of our tools is to build a three-dimensional model of the set before it's actually constructed. In this case, for a streetcar named Desire, the New Orleans location required an authentic-looking balustrade. These little curved balusters took a lot of time to cut with a little scrolling saw. If we had a 3D printer, we could design it on a computer and have the printer print out the entire railing in one piece, all done with very little time and effort.
This program that we have here is Vectorworks. It is a program that can really help us with designing different objects like props or set pieces. Right here we have a very large prop for a sleigh for the production we're working with currently, and we can put it to different scales. Now if we had a 3D printer, we could actually print out these pieces in a miniature scale so that we know how it would operate.
Here's the actual sleigh from the model. After we built it, we found out if you sit too far back, the whole thing will tip. If we would have had a 3D printer, we could have made a smaller model and tested where the wheels were, so then it wouldn't tip over.
The addition of this new equipment would have many benefits to the department. Not only can we work with scenic elements, but we can make properties, we can make costumes, and anything that might come up for a future production.